See, you people should calm down. Go and come back later in the evening. When my father comes back, he will address you people.
Will you shut up? Shut up! See, let me tell you. You both cannot deceive us again. Just go inside there and call your father. You cheap liars.
We want to see your father. Can you imagine to come out? We want to see the old man and face us here. Okay, now.
You dey run. You where? Where you dey run go?
No.
Where your papa?
Papa?
Your cousin.
Hey,
Papa.
Morocco,
are you stupid?
Now what time you dey waste?
Papa.
Where your papa?
Papa.
You want make I lose your dada?
Okay, Papa.
Get back here. Come back here.
Where's my papa?
Papa. We don't know.
Their father is this one dada. Come back.
Where do you think you're going?
My daughter, I am so sorry. How much do you want? I am willing to pay.
Look at this old useless fool. How much do I want? After your attempt to wipe out my entire family with your useless herbal medicine, you're asking me how much I want?
I'm sorry, my daughter. We can settle this amicably.
You're the man. You're who wants to settle that one. Ah! You're who can settle.
Eh? Not me dey pay me this.
Naimo! He dey try bribe me, make a letter run.
Usain Bolt, you dey run. You want try base, abi? Who you be?
My daughter.
Oga base. Say daughter. Who be your daughter? Who you born? Who you? So guys, you just fool like this. Old man wey you are native. You no fit respect yourself. Now fake about massive they say. Now you want take off. Like this, we dey told you they go Igwe Palace. Now you guys report there.
I'm sorry.
You see they call daughter. Oga.
You know what they do me.
I go slap sense enter your head though. Like this, Oh yeah, move. Very quick.
They go.
Yeah?
Waka when? That's why you take the waka when I catch you here just now.
See old man wey no get respect for himself.
They fear.
Monkey wey be left.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.